In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock contacts in Gmail. Whether you accidentally block someone or have had a change of heart, restoring communication with someone is a simple process that just takes a few easy steps. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open up Gmail in the Google Chrome browser. This is important because Chrome is optimized for Google services, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Once Gmail is loaded, you'll see the familiar login screen if you aren't already signed in. Go ahead and log in with your Google account credentials to access your inbox. Now that you're in Gmail, the next step is to locate an email from the contact you've blocked. Use the search bar at the top of the page to type in the email address of the person you want to reconnect with. This will help you swiftly find an email from them, making the unblocking process more straightforward. Once you have the email open, you'll notice three vertical dots in the top right corner of the email message, often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, simply click on Unblock followed by the contact's name. After clicking Unblock, Gmail will display a confirmation message to ensure that this is indeed what you want to do. Confirm by clicking Unblock once more, and just like that, emails from the sender will start appearing in your inbox again. It's a quick and efficient way to bring someone's messages back to your main view. For those interested in managing their blocked contacts further, there's an optional step that can be quite handy. Start by clicking the gear icon, which represents settings, located in the upper right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. Once in the Settings menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the email addresses you've blocked. If you see any other email addresses that you want to remove from this list, simply click Unblock next to the address. After making all desired changes, don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to ensure your new settings are applied. And there you have it. Following these steps ensures that you can manage your email contacts effectively, allowing only the messages you want to see. It's all about maintaining control of your inbox, making sure it suits your needs and preferences. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, feel free to like the video or subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life.